Yes guys, this is my rice, and what I'm gonna wash it already. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna put some salt in there. I like to put in my salt and my butter or my oil when the water a little bit hot, and then put in my oil and the salt. So what I'm gonna do now, I just put in some salt. You're gonna season to your taste. Put in some salt. I'm not going to use any butter. I'm just going to use some olive oil. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in there. Just that amount of oil. Just going to give it a little stir. And guys, you're going to see how my rice come out so good with this little bit of oil. Yeah, and I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil you want, or you can use butter. You even can cook your rice without oil and without butter. You understand? Yeah, it tastes good same way. Just gonna cover it, turn on the stove, put it on 5 and just make it steam. Okay guys? Here I have my dish here with my bell peppers and onion and my tomato and piece of scotch bonnet pepper and piece of thyme. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna cut out, we call it stem. I just use my small knife here and just cut out the stem because I don't want it in my cabbage, in my steamed cabbage, you understand? Yeah, so I just cut it out. So easy it come out? Yeah, this is it. So I just put it aside. I'm just gonna give my cabbage some little slice. You can cut up your one big, you can cut it up small, you can cut it up medium. Any size you want to cut up your cabbage, it will work with the corned beef, okay? I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of this cabbage either, okay? You don't want the cabbage for too much to overpower the corned beef. Yeah, this is the amount of cabbage I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna use this one, just this alone, okay? Just gonna put it over here in my bowl. So I wash off all of this already in some vinegar water. Just gonna cut up my onion. If you have the white onion, you definitely can use that, but I have the purple one, so I'm gonna use that. Put up my bell peppers. So guys, this is, I'm gonna put a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna use all of it, just a little piece because I don't want it well hot. I have some plummy tomato. This is what I'm gonna use. I don't have no big tomatoes. I just have this plummy. I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna cut up my thyme. I'm just gonna put it in the pot just like this. And this is all my herb that I'm gonna put in my cabbage bully beef. Okay. So what next? I'm gonna put on the pot on the fire. Yes guys, this is my pot, it's on the stove. It's a little bit hot. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some oil in there. Gonna let it just hot for a while. Yes guys, my pot is hot. I don't want it too hot because I don't want the house full of smoke. So this is the time, I just put the time right there, so I just put in all of this in the pot now before I put in the cabbage. So colorful this looks so beautiful. And I'm going to do now, put in my cabbage. This is my cabbage, and I put it in now. What I'm going to do now, I season up my cabbage, okay? I put some Lawry seasoning salt in there. And if you're a long time subscriber or you're new to my channel, when I use this season, you know, so I'm not use no salt because this season and the others I season them have whole heap of salt, okay? So I put some Lawry seasoning. I love to use my dry herb. This is some basil. I'm going to put a little for flavor. This will give your meat or your vegetable good flavor and really tasty, okay? Gonna put some oregano. Gonna put some ginger, garlic, and pimento. Gonna put a little bit of black pepper, not much. Just a little bit of black pepper. I'm not putting in the corned beef yet. I just make this cook for about steam down for about 3 minutes, and then look about this. Then I put the corned beef in there. So I'm gonna just prep up the corned beef, cover this, and make it go on steam. I'm gonna put enough water in there. I just make it steam, and I just turn on the stove a little because I don't want it burn. You understand? Yeah. So this is the corned beef. When I do, I wash it off first before me. You pull it, and I wash it off first. I know say you have to wash off in something. You understand? Yeah. This is my corned beef. When I do now, I tear off the paper off of the corned beef. Because sometimes when you open it, the paper end up going in the corned beef, and you don't want that. So just tear off the paper. So this is how it looks. This is the key. So you just take it off and you just turn it that way here. So what you're going to do now, you just take a little time and just pop it up. You just open it now. If the key lasts, I don't like using knife. The knife take it longer, you can't cut yourself when you use a knife. So you have to be careful. Better you use a key. Open it better and it's more safer. Okay guys? You see that? Yeah. Sometimes the key are broke when you do it. Which is the metal part here, just broke off. So I open it now. Just throw it out on this. Turn it over on my cutting board. Just use a knife and just go down in it. Okay, see this? So I use my knife now and just cut it up, mince it up. And I want to put it in a pot like this, so I just mince it up. Better if you mince it up before you put it in a pot, okay? That's how I like it. You can actually put it in a pot and then mince it up, but I prefer to do it like this. See that? Yes, so I'm going to look for my cabbage now. It's ready, almost 3 minutes. So I'm going to look for my cabbage and just put in my corned beef. So this is how my cabbage looks so far. See that? Yeah, I'm going to put more water in there. Wow, look at this. So this look, yeah. What I'm going to do now, I'm put in my corned beef. that? So good this look, smells so good. See that? Look at this. Look how good this look. It's flavorful, really tasty. See that? When I cut it up before, I put it in the cabbage. So good it look. Yeah, this is how it come out. I love it. I just put a little bit of water here with a little bit of ketchup. Just a little bit, you see? Yeah, no sugar, just water and ketchup. I put a little bit in there to get little gravy, a nice little gravy. I think maybe I have to put it in there now. Yeah, see that? Then I just cover it now. Cover it for 2 minutes. Let me just take it off. Yes, guys, you see how it look now? See that? So much gravy in there. Yeah. So this is the rice. See the rice? Yeah. So guys, this is the finished look of my corned beef and cabbage. Guys, I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description box. So guys, please comment and share and subscribe and join Grief on My Wife TV. Guys, big up on yourself and thank you so much for watching. God bless. Big up on yourself. Okay?
We're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. House tequila with some salt and lime.